Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EVS Homeschool. I am Naima Akhtar Tisha. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 2 students based on MCQ and it's a RW class. Let's start our class. This is our lecture number 12. And your SW number is 11. Let's see the MCQ. Number 1. The keyboard is connected to the A. Monitor, B. CPU, C. Printer. Keyboard normally is connected with CPU. Number 2. Which one is the longest key on the keyboard? If you observe the keyboard carefully, you can see that spacebar is the longest key of the keyboard. Here the option is spacebar, enter key, arrow key. This one, the spacebar is the answer. Number 3, we use enter key to go to number A, the next line, the previous line, the next page. We use enter key to go the next line. Number 4, which keys are used for typing numbers? Which keys are used? See here, A. Alphabet keys, B. Number keys, C. Function keys. It will be number keys. Normally we use number keys to typing the numbers. Question number 5. Alphabet keys are used for typing what? A. Numbers, B. Symbol, C. Words. Alphabet key, we know that we use alphabet key for writing, for typing words. Number 6. What do we need to write something on the computer? Options are CPU, keyboard or mouse. We need keyboard because the alphabet keys, function keys and the number keys present in the keyboard, and we normally use the alphabet key and number key for typing, and they are present in keyboard. Number 7, a keyboard has many small buttons called what? Printer? No. Tools? No. They are called keys. The answer will be C, keys. The spacebar is used to what? Erase, give space, type. The spacebar is used for give space, for giving space. 9. When you type a letter or number, it shows up on the what? Normally we see everything in the monitor. The options are monitor, CPU or keyboard. C. So the answer will be monitor. How many types of keys are there on the keyboard? On the keyboard you can find 6 kind of keys. Number 11, how many buttons are there in a mouse? 2 or 3 type keys you can 2 or 3 type buttons you can find in the mouse. Number 12 and the last one, the mouse is normally placed on a, in which place normally you place the mouse? In the keyboard? No. In the motherboard? No. In the mouse pad? Yes. The answer will be mouse pad. You normally keep the mouse in the mouse pad. Now see, I have given here your 11 number SW and it will be MCQ 1 up to 5. That means you have to do SW from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 1 to 5 you have to do your SW. Dear students, today we have finished our class. I hope you have understood today's topic. Please submit your SW properly and regularly, because your CT diary and your diary and SBA, because your SBA and CT mark will be given based on this SW. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.